Hello, in this video I am going to show you one small but quick tip. If your music or sound is distorted or the quality of sound is not coming as you expected in Logic Pro. So let's see how we can do this thing. I had this issue for almost 2 hours, and after pretty much I did many things. I rebooted my Mac couple of times and I did couple of settings changes here and there, but still I was unable to fix that. But luckily I found a solution which fixed everything. So if you have issue, like if your Logic Pro has some issue that your Logic Pro sound is getting distracted, or the sound quality is going down or bad, then this is a small trick you can use to fix the thing. So to do this thing, at first we need to open Logic Pro, and then we have to go Logic Pro, this menu. It will bring this type of menu. From here we have to come settings, and then there are a couple of options are there. From here we have to choose the second one, which is called audio. We just need to click audio, and this will open all the audio related stuff which is the configured. So as I told you, the sound quality was not good as expected, so here you have to come. So what you need to do, you need to uncheck it and then again recheck it, and then you can press the apply button, or you can close the window, and after that you will see everything is running very smoothly. I mean, all the sounds are working very smoothly. That is the small trick which I found to fix all the quality of the sound of my Logic Pro. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully this video will be a lifesaver for you if you are trying to fix this issue for a long time.